welcome back to Willie's channel. We are going to do another cooking video, and we're gonna make banana bread. And before we cook, we're gonna touch a lot of stuff. So, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Next step, get all the ingredients. Let's go. All right, let's see if my magic worked. All right, let's all this stuff here. Whoa! Ice cream's not for this. All right, let me turn on magic again. All right, let's see if it worked now. Yep, the ice cream's gone. I got magic.
All right, so first in needs to be the butter.
I knew it.
And the sugar.
Got it. Oh, it's sticking.
Get it
To
whipped
one?
up. Yeah, just get it whipping. All right, and then we need a cup of sugar.
So funny. It's like just the butter.
We don't need a whole cup of sugar. That's kind of a lot. Just shake it off a little. All right, now add the sugar in while it's mixing carefully.
Oh, that's dusty.
Do you want to crack the eggs or do you want me to crack the eggs?
I'll crack the eggs.
All right, crack them into that measuring cup. Oh, that's looking good. Nice.
Any crack?
I don't see any shells.
All right, then
All
we'll
right,
redo
and one
the
more
thing.
egg. You can, I like to put my trash on the butter wrapper and then I throw it all away.
Oh, this seems like it's kind of cracked. Oh, I broke it. I broke the shell. There's some shell in there.
Throw some egg out and we'll get the shell out.
I just like, oh, I got two pieces.
Okay.
Is that one, and that one.
We'll pick out all the shells. That's why we crack it into the cup and not into the bowl.
Wait, there's one like there's under the egg. All right, now add the egg in. Juice in there. I got egg juice.
Now add the bananas.
All right.
Mix it this
Oh,
way.
that looks goopy.
Yep. Oh,
Did you hear that splatter?
Let's hear another one. Well, of the actual banana.
Oh. I wonder why old bananas are for banana bread. So confused. Could good bananas make everything good? Oh, that was goopy. Ew. Also, kids, you can eat a banana right now.
It's a yummy snack, isn't it?
Eat a good one though. Don't eat like a bad one like banana bread.
I'll get this mixing and you can add the rest while it mixes.
You at one?
Smells good though, huh?
Ew.
Now it'll have good banana flavor. So we don't have buttermilk. We're supposed to have buttermilk for this recipe. So since we don't, I'm going to make buttermilk substitute with some lemon juice from a fresh squeezed lemon and some.
Wait, can you show the kids the lemon?
Here's the lemon. I just squeeze it, and then I'm going to fill up the rest of the hot cup with 2% milk. add our dry ingredients.
All right, dry ingredients. Let's do this.
Let's do the
I
dry.
know that's one, and that's one.
That's right there. So we need 1 teaspoon baking soda.
So sloshy.
And then 2.5 cups of flour. Here's 1.
It's gonna be 2 cups. It's not getting that sloshy.
2.5.
Get on the sauce.
Does it taste okay?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Okay, now we grease the muffin tins and we'll spoon this into here. Voila! Now we'll put this batter into the oven. All right, let's check on the muffins. They're baking.
All right.
Kind of hard to see through the oven. What do you think? Are they puffing up a little bit?
Yeah, they're puffing up. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana you.
Banana you!
Kids, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana you.
Banana you! That's the same joke. Got any more?
Ooh, I have a good one.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana bread.
Banana bread who?
Oh, let's eat some banana bread.
Good idea, good idea.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana bread.
Banana bread who?
Let's eat some banana bread.
Good idea. That would be so good.
Kids, knock, knock. Wait, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Zucchini.
Zucchini who?
Zucchini splattered on your face.
Oh boy.
Wait, kids, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Run away.
Run away. Okay, once there were 2 muffins in the oven, and one of them turned to the other and said, "Oh, it's getting really hot in here." And the other one said, "Ah, talking muffin!" Oh, they're really puffing now.
Ooh, let's check them. Ooh.
Yeah, let's hear your muffin joke.
Alright, let's wash the dishes.
Now I got my dishwasher helpers. They do a good job. He's trapped. He's stuck on the cupboard.
Look like a pig. Like a pig just like waddle.
All right, the muffins are done. What do you think?
Good. They look so good.
They look nice and brown. I'll take them out and put them on these wire racks to cool.
Maybe we should send these to you. Maybe we'll send some to you. It's really good. I like how it has those bananas. I like how it has the vanilla. Kind of makes it like just like a bit of vanilla. Bye kids, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And watch this video again and copy it over so then you can make the reel. And you can make bread. You can make the bread or the muffins. Either one. Bye kids.